Hi, this is Jody with Gutter Boyz of Kentucky, and if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're in the market for new gutters, leak protection, repairs, what have you. And I want to take a minute to explain to you why not all gutter companies are the same. I know when you're standing out there in your front yard and you look up at your gutters, you look at your neighbor's gutters, you really can't tell the difference. But believe me, there is a major difference. For instance, take a look at these two items here. These are what we call gutter clips or hangers, depending on how you talk to. This is the industry standard right here. This is the norm. Most all the installers use this particular product. If you look at this one here, this is what we use. It's an elite clip, engineered and designed for a lot more integrity. You can see the difference in the thickness of the design of the screw. Has a lot more integrity. When designing your gutter systems, you have to take in consideration the pitch of the roof, the composition of the roof, the area of the roof. That'll determine where and how many of these you put on your home. Not only that, you have your outlets. Outlet tubes are what your downspouts are attached to. This is the industry standard. This is our standard. Why do they do this? These are very, very cheap, inexpensive, and it's easy to make a round hole. Rectangular holes are a lot more difficult to make, but look at the difference here. You can see how much area. You go out, you spend all that money on a 6-inch gutter system, 3x4 downspouts, and then you restrict the flow with something like this. It's ridiculous. And one other thing you want to make sure that you have is this little piece of paper right here. This is for your general liability and your workman's comp. If you let somebody on your property that doesn't have general liability, something happens, a ladder falls on your car, somebody's got to pay for it. A window gets broke, somebody's got to pay for it. Not only that, you have to have workers' comp. Workers' comp protects you in the event that if somebody gets on your property and they fall, they get hurt, and they don't have insurance, somebody's got to pay for that. And I'm sure that there's somebody out there that's going to come to you after all other resources have failed to make sure somebody pays for their injuries. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to call us.